Hey, so let's finish this unit about ecosystems. This is the class number 6. So if you remember, we have been working with this concept, ecosystems, the definition, the interaction between the different living things, the non-living things that also in the ecosystem, and the different terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems, okay? Now, in this last class, we're going to analyze the impact of the actions of a human being to the ecosystems, the different ecosystems, okay? The impact can be negative and positive, okay? Can be positive effects and negative also. We as human beings, we can change the environment, we can make changes, right? Positive or even negative, depending on our actions. Like positive effects of in the ecosystems we can make, for example, well, negative. Let's start with the negative ones, okay? Like, for example, the pollution. Here in the picture, you have an example of pollution that we can, we are making dirt, sending dirt to our atmosphere, and that's not good for, because then it mixes with the rain, and the rain comes down into acid rain, and that's not good for even for the animals or the plants. It's killing animals and plants, the acid rain. Now we have also waste substances. The human being creates a lot of trash and rubbish. And what happens with this trash? Well, sometimes we throw tins, or cans into the sea and nothing happens. Or we throw, like the smokers, the cigarette throwing out into the field. Those things, are negative effects to our different ecosystems, and also animals in danger of extinction. This can cause, for example, what I said it was in class number 2, I remember, or number 1, I don't remember. Well, it was some animals that we hunt them because we like the skin or to eat, well, and or as a trophy, and those animals can become in danger of extinction, and there's no more of that animal, for example. Those are an example of negative effects. There are more, but these are 3 examples. And then positive effects, we have some positive effects, like, for example, recycling, okay, reuse, reduce, and recycling. Those are positive effects. The material, reuse the materials, reduce also the consumism. If we buy less, we will use more things. And we can reuse the old things we have, and then recycle. Those are perfect things for keeping and taking care of our environment. Reuse and recycle materials. Then repopulate the forests. Also, they are it's very bad and very sad, but there are so many fires in the forests in summer. And there are some people that plant the plants again, the trees, and repopulate all the forests that had been burned because of the fire. And that's very good also. That's a positive effect that human beings, we can do in the ecosystem to get it better. And then water purification also, because when it doesn't rain, there is no water to drink. So, because we have these huge ponds, okay, of water that, there are, like, we take the water from there, but if it doesn't rain in a lot of time, there is no water. So we can use also purificators and water purification to change water from the sea into water that we can drink. That was also nice to do. Okay. So these are examples of effects, positive and negative effects that we can cause into the different ecosystems. Okay. The human being, what do you prefer? I think positive effects, right? We can do something to make our world better, and we can do something also to change our environment in a better environment, okay? So hope you enjoy it, hope you like it, and this was our last class of these unit ecosystems, and now our handsome teacher, no, your teacher will explain you the final project you are going to finish the unit of ecosystems. Okay, bye.